Hello and welcome to another episode of Volley Rebuild. Today I'm going to be fitting these Tarmac Sports cats. You can probably tell that this is a voiceover. I've lost the audio to the video. Don't know how that's happened, but anyway, I'm going to make this up as I go along. These are test pipes that I had fitted to the car, and I thought it would be a great idea to try and get it through an MOT. Failed on emissions miserably. However, there's a shim pad hanging from the shelf there. Don't know why. I remember talking about these wheels. These are Rotor GTR wheels. They are for sale. They're not in very good condition. The tyres are low on tread, and they are staggered tyres but not staggered wheels. No idea why. However, they came with the car when I bought it. There's about 2-3 mil of tread on each tyre from what I can remember, but anyway, if you're interested, you can use them as drift wheels. You can probably make a table out of them if you really wanted to. But anyway, they are for sale. I can't remember what else I've said during this part of the video, but as well as the wheels being for sale, I remember pointing at the test pipes. They are also for sale. But other than that, enjoy the video. Intro. So while the bumper's setting, because I've sealed the lights in, I'm going to start fitting these. So this is probably going to be over 2 videos. So these are the Tarmac Sports Sport Cats, and you can come with all the fixings, so direct swap. Yes. Okay, both cats removed. Got to take out the oxygen sensors and then fit them to the new ones. So I'm just going to fit them to here because that's where they're located. I'm guessing that's for if you've got upper and lower oxygen sensors, which these don't. So I think that's what it's for anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and take these off and put them in here, and then tighten that up and then fit them to the car. Okay, I've just done a final torque check. Everything's tight. There is supposed to be a ball that goes from there to there, but that was seized onto my old cats, so I've not used that, but they're secure, so everything is good. Clearance between the wide pipe and the W brace at the back, so everything is good. Just got to refit the induction kit or the air filter and then see what it sounds like.